Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use flight credit on American Airlines. So let's get started. So you have to follow this step. So here we can see we have here our American Airlines, so we can just open their site. Okay, so basically you have here for the travel credit, so you can just pause and read it. So I will show you. So here for issued for travel trip, here for the refunds, remaining value, exchange rate and the others. Used or cancelled ticket, paper voucher. So you can use like this. Okay. So basically you can just use your flight credit in your American Airlines very easily. So if you want to book like from here, I will just open here. Okay. So here I will just do one way trip for example. So I will do here from Los Angeles to our Washington DC, passenger 1. Okay, so let us date and time, let us say for 30, search. Okay, so here I will just search for American Airlines. So if the flights will be available, it will show directly. So from here I will just show for the one way for like 199. So basically accept the restrictions, 199, accept the restrictions. So it is going on. Okay, so from here you have the option like when you will just book here when you will just continue as guest. Okay, so here you have the option to here like so here you have the option, so you will just apply it. So here I will just cancelling it. So from here when you will just payment, you have the option to use the credit and you can use there. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.